Hi there everybody, in today's video I have this Nissan Note 2011 here in the UK. So this is right hand drive and I'm just going to change the pollen filter. I've already removed the old one, but I'm just going to show you where it is and just how you can pull it out. So basically if we go down here under the glove box, we have to get really round to the back. So it's gonna be there basically in that hole. This is the new filter I've got, and it's a little bit awkward, but it should hopefully go in. Okay, so we just need to basically push it down a bit. We need to squish it down a bit to get it in. And that's it. It's basically how it fits. Obviously, to remove it, you just need to pull it here and get it out and push it down, because the filter is just a little bit bigger than the actual entrance hole basically. And put it back in. And that's it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.